Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a landing page for free using Getresponse in just a few minutes. First, log into your Getresponse account dashboard. If you don't yet have a Getresponse account, you can check our video on how to create a free forever Getresponse account. I will leave the link to this video in the description below with the registration link to Getresponse. Now, from your Getresponse account dashboard, click on the dots icon to open this drop-down menu. Under the Growth Tools tab, click on Landing Pages. Great! Now, to start creating the landing page, simply click on Create Landing Page. Bear in mind that using the free account, you can only create one landing page at a time. But for the first 30 days of creating your free account, you can use all the paid plans, features, and publish multiple landing pages. After that, if you want to continue with publishing more than one landing page, you might want to consider upgrading to one of the paid plans. Now, after clicking on Create Landing Page, you will be redirected to the Templates page. A nice thing about Getresponse landing pages is that you get lots of pre-made professional templates that you can use for any type of landing page you want, saving you lots of time and effort. Or if you wish, you could build a landing page from scratch using the plain templates and an easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor by clicking here. And from here, you can sort the templates by the date added, popularity, conversion rate, or you can search for a specific template by name from this search icon. Also, a nice feature in Getresponse is that you can filter the landing page templates by type. By default, there are 9 types of pre-made templates that can be used for almost any type of landing page, including sign up and registration, promotions, downloads, sales, about, webinars, video, thank you pages, and holidays landing pages. For the purpose of this video, we will go on and choose this landing page template, but feel free to choose the landing page that fits your own use case. After choosing the landing page template, simply click on Select Template. Now give your landing page a name you can recognize. And here you can preview the looks of the landing page and the thank you page that the visitor will see after taking an action on your page. From here, just click Next Step to create the landing page. Now we will be taken to the landing page editor. In this page, we can totally edit and customize our landing page with an easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor. Here we can see a full preview of the landing page we just created. Also, a great feature about landing pages made by Getresponse is that the templates are designed to work on both desktops and mobile phones. To see a full preview of how the landing page will look like on a smartphone, click on this phone icon at the top. In the next set of videos, we'll talk in more detail about every element of the landing page editor and how you can fully customize your landing page. But for now, if you wish to save the landing page, click on the Save button. And now you have created a fully functioning landing page in just a few minutes. To see the list of your created landing pages, simply go back to the Landing Pages menu. Here you'll see all the created landing pages with all the landing page stats. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell to get notified with every new video. And if you have any questions, please leave your question in a comment below the video, and I will try my best to answer all of your questions. For more tutorials, check out the playlist with the link in the description below for step-by-step guides on how to use Getresponse. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.